Azizlar, bugun 11-unitda o'tamiz. Shakespeare Where Are You Now degan maqolani ko'rib chiqamiz. Hop, survive degani omon qolgan, F variant, performance ijro qilmoq, D variant, destroy vayron qilmoq, B variant, approve of. Approve of degani ya'ni fikrda bo'lish, qanaqadir fikrda bo'lish degani E variant, location joylashuv, C variant, attend qatnashmoq, E variantga sinonim bo'ladi. Matnga o'tamiz. William Shakespeare wrote many plays and poems which are known the world over. William Shakespeare o'sha butun dunyoga tanilgan bir qancha sahna asarlari va she'rlar yozgan. But perhaps using the works of Elizabethan playwright are not important today. Lekin siz o'ylashingiz mumkin, bugungi kunda o'sha Elizabeta davridagi bu yozuvchini bugun muhim emas deb o'ylashingiz mumkin. Well, think again. Hop, yana yaxshilab o'ylab ko'ring. Shakespeare's works have survived the years and then some. Shakespeare'ning ishlari yillar davomida o'sha tirik bo'lib kelyapti, ya'ni o'sha haligacha mavjud, ba'zilari. For example, Romeo and Juliet hasn't only been performed again and again in the theaters around the world, but it has also been made into a very popular movie twice. Misol uchun, Romeo and Juliet yillar davomida qayta-qayta teatrlarda ijro qilindi dunyo bo'ylab, lekin ikkita eng mashhur kinoga ham aylantirildi. During the late of 1500s, however, Shakespeare's plays were often performed at the Globe Theatre in London. 1500-yillar davomida biroq shu Shakespeare'ning sahna asarlari Londondagi Globe teatrida ijro qilingan. The Globe was large open air theatre with its use of natural lighting. Globe ochiq osmon ostidagi teatr va tabiiy yorug'likdan foydalanilgan teatr edi. Shows at the Globe used very few props, but performances were always interesting and exciting because the audience yelled at, cheered and talked with performers. O'sha Globe'da o'tkazilgan shoularda aktyorlar foydalanishi uchun jihozlar o'ta kam bo'lgan, lekin ijrolar har doim qiziqarli bo'lgan, chunki auditoriya baqirgan, olqishlagan va ijrochilar bilan gaplashgan. Ya'ni o'sha aktyorlar bilan suhbat qurgan demoqchi. The Globe was a great success. Globe juda zo'r muvaffaqiyatga erishdi. However, in 1613, during performance of Shakespeare's Henry VIII, a cannon was fired on stage, setting off fire. Shunga qaramasdan 1613-yilda Shakespeare Henry VIII ni ijro qilayotgan paytda zambarakdan kutilmaganda sahnaga o'q uzilib ketadi va olov tushadi. The fire completely destroys the theatre. Olov tamomila teatrni vayron qiladi. The Globe was fixed a year later, but it didn't stay open long. Globe tuzatildi bir yildan keyin, lekin uzoq muddat ochiq turmadi. The theatre was closed by the Puritans who didn't approve the entertainment. Hop, teatr o'sha entertainmentni ma'qullamaydigan, yomon ko'radigan puritanlar tomonidan yopildi. The Globe never opened again and the building was finally torn down in 1644. Globe endi hech qachon qaytib ochilmadi va bino axiyri 1644-yilda qulab tushdi. Ya'ni shu vayron qilindi, buzilib ketdi degan ma'noda kelyapti. Theatre lovers in England never forget the Globe, and in 1917 decision was made to rebuild it as close to the original design as possible. Teatr sevuvchilari Angliyada hech qachon Globe'ni unutishmadi va 1970-yilda o'sha imkon qadar uni originaliga o'xshash darajada qurish degan qarorga kelishdi. Imagine how people felt when in 1989 those working on the new Globe came across some of the original building only about 100 meters from the new theatre. Tasavvur qiling, endi qanaqa qilib odamlar o'zlari qanaqa his qilishgan 89-yilda yangi Globe o'sha ochilish bo'lib turganda originalni 100 metr manaroda dunyo xolos ekan, yangisi. They were building a new theatre almost in the original Globe location. Ular deyarli original Globe lokatsiyasidan 100 metr manaroda qurib turishdi, deyapti yangi nimani teatrda. The new Globe opened in 1999 and has since won many awards as one of the best tourist attractions in Europe. Globe, ya'ni o'sha yangi Globe 99-yil ochilgan va Yevropadagi turistlarda attraksioni bo'yicha juda ham ko'p mukofotlarni olgan. Since the new theatre opened, hundreds of thousands of people have attended Shakespearean performances such as A Midsummer Night's Dream, As You Like It, and Henry V. Shakespeare, Where Are You Now? At the Globe, of course. Xo'p, o'sha yangi teatr ochilganidan beri yuzlab va minglab odamlar qatnashdi o'sha Shekspir bunaqalariga, ijrolariga. Bulardan biri o'sha yoz o'rtalarida Tunda yozu, San yoqtirganing kabi Henry V. Shekspir, sen qayerdasan? Albatta, Globdaman. Testga o'tiramiz, ya'ni o'sha readingga. What is main focus of this reading? Bu matnning asosiy g'oyasi nimada? Interesting attractions in Europe, Shakespeare and the Globe Theatre, Shakespeare's plays and poem, the first play is the Globe Theatre. To'g'ri javob bitta B bo'ladi. O'sha bilsa bo'ladi, matndan Shakespeare bilan shu Globe Theatre haqida bo'lyapti. Ikkinchisi, which probably not true about the plays at the Globe in the 1500s. 1500s. O'sha 1500-yillardagi Globe'da bo'lib turgan noto'g'ri ma'lumotni toping. Actors didn't use very many objects on stage. The shows were popular. The audience had scenes to actors on stage. The shows were usually performed at night. Buni to'g'ri javob B bo'ladi, chunki buni ma'lumot umuman ko'rmadik, mashhur edi. Mana bizga berilgan ma'lumot faqat o'sha kam bo'lgani, aktyorlar foydalangan narsalar juda kam bo'lgan, gaplashgan aktyorlar va open air bo'lgani uchun tunda qo'yilgan asosan. Which is true about the new Globe Theatre? Yangi Globe teatri haqidagi ma'lumot qaysi biri to'g'ri? Endi bitta to'g'ri javob D bo'ladi. O'sha 99-yilda bemalol odamlar ko'ra olishgan nimalarini, o'sha Shakespeare'da ijrolarini. During the what kind of scene this far at the Globe start? Ya'ni o'sha Globe'da qaysi paytda shuna olov tushish hodisasi ro'y beradi deyapti. Endi buni to'g'ri javobi A bo'ladi. Battle scene, ya'ni jang maydonida ro'y beradi, ya'ni zambarini otilib ketib qoladi. What won an award for best attraction in Europe? Xo'p, o'sha Yevropada eng zo'r attraksion bo'yicha nima g'olib bo'ldi deyapti. Endi to'g'ri javob bitta C variant bo'ladi, o'sha Globe teatri bo'ladi. Xo'p, ideyalar The Wall Tower degani butun dunyo bo'ylab, Anzen Sun qo'shimcha, ya'ni qo'shimcha tarzda, Come Across degani o'sha kashf qilmoq, yaratmoq. A smile is understood as a sign of friendship. O'sha kulgi nima do'stlikning nimasidir sifatida tushuniladi. To'g'ri javob Anzen Sun bo'ladi. Do'stlik va yana do'stlikdan ko'proq nimadir o'rnida tushunsa bo'ladi buni deyapti-da. Do'stlikdan ham ortiqroq bu narsa kulgi. You may a good bargain if you shop at the market. You may birinchisiga World Hour bo'lar ekan. Mana butun dunyo bo'ylab kulgi bu do'stlik sifatida qaraladi. Bo'ldi. You may a good bargain if you shop at the market. You may come across a good bargain if you shop at the market bo'ladi. Uchinchisiga bo'lsa Anzen Sun bo'ladi. Summary. Shakespeare's plays at the Globe Theatre. Shakespeare's plays nima qilindi o'sha Globe teatrida qo'yildi, were performed at the Globe Theatre. The theatre was rebuilt during the performance of Henry VIII, a cannon shot set of fire that destroyed the theatre. O'sha vayron qildi, o'sha cannon. The Globe nechinchi yilda bo'lyapti? 1700-yillarda. Globe was torn down. Bo'lyapti 3 ga 4 ga plans were made to rebuild the Globe. 4 ga rebuild the Globe bo'lyapti. 5 ga parts of original building were found about 100 meters from the site of the new theatre bo'ladi va oxiriga new theatre opened bo'lyapti. Testga o'tiramiz. Computers are now used for both education and entertainment. Used the Wall Tower, D variant. I'm afraid to speak in front of large audience. B variant. More than 1,000 people attended the concert. A variant. Please the other people in the audience and don't talk during the show. Respect bo'ladi, ya'ni hurmat qiling boshqa odamlarni va gaplashmang. The Huge Park downtown is one of the city's most popular attractions. A variant. The theatre doesn't people to eat or drink during the show. Allow. Ruxsat bermoq. A variant. We will have the report finished by 5 o'clock. You can count on us. Ishonsang bo'ladi bizga. D variant. He's waiting for the committee's Approval. A variant bo'ladi. Approval of the play. The audience cheered when the performer walked onto the stage. A variant. They had trouble. They had trouble locating a place to park near the theater. Bitta to'g'ri javob B variant bo'lyapti.